오, 시네마를 못했어. 오, 부르고, 이제. The story of Stephen Powell's son comes to my mind. He was a Harvard graduate who worked as a company executive. One fine day, his firm shut down its European operations, and Powell's son, at 60, found himself joining the ranks of the unemployed. Enforced retirement stared him in the face, but Powell's son was not about to passively allow himself to become one of those retired folk who drift along aimless and lonesome. To avoid this prospect, he knew he had to keep his mind on its toes. He wondered how he could best do this. One day, he idly plucked out his time-worn college copies of Homer's Iliad, not the English translation but the original Greek edition. Browsing through it, he was delighted to find that so many years down the road, he still remembered the first 100 lines of the epic. So Powell's son set out to do something unusual, to memorize the entire epic, 24 books containing 15,693 lines of verse. Just to give you an idea how momentous a memorization project this is, if you were to hold a reading session of the Iliad, it would take 18 hours of non-stop reading to go through the entire edition. But Powell's son may memorize those 24 books sitting in his home in Versailles, France. He conquered the Iliad. It took him 10 years, but he did it. Just think of an unemployed man finding such purpose in life, rising to such stupendous challenge and emerging a winner. Patience, perseverance, interest. Powell's son had then all. Now which critic would want to rob him of his victory? If you had an elder sister or brother who helped you with your studies, you may already be familiar with some of those memorizing tricks that students use to smoothen the rough passage of the academic years. In fact, reading this chapter will probably have you recalling facts and figures, because you will recognize the memory cues. In any way, here they are. A year's calendar at your fingertips, the Sunday treat. You can amaze your friends by telling them the precise day on which